The Smoothie Diet is a 21-day program designed to provide a complete life transformation. Whether you need to lose a few pounds or embark on a substantial weight loss journey, we'll focus on the role of vegetable smoothies in weight loss. Benefits of the vegetable smoothies. Nutrient-rich ingredients. Vegetable smoothies are packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. These nutrients are essential for the body's overall well-being and can help in maintaining energy levels and curbing cravings. Low in calories, high in fiber. Vegetables are typically low in calories but high in fiber, making them perfect for weight loss. Fiber keeps you feeling full, reducing the temptation to indulge in unhealthy snacks. Regulating blood sugar. Vegetable smoothies can help stabilize blood sugar levels, which is especially beneficial for individuals with conditions like type 2 diabetes. Improve digestion. The fiber content in vegetable smoothies supports healthy digestion, aiding in the removal of toxins and waste from the bodies. Clearer skin. The nutrient-dense vegetable smoothies can contribute to clearer, healthier skin, an often unexpected benefit of the program. Vegetable smoothie recipe that can help support weight loss. Ingredients: 1 cup of spinach or kale UA combination of both, walk into half. Small green apple and ash lemon juice and a ½ inch piece of ginger optional for added flavor and metabolism boost. 1 cup of water or unsweetened almond milk ice cubes. Wash all the vegetables and fruit thoroughly. Chop the cucumber and green apple into smaller pieces to make it easier to blend. Add the spinach or kale, chopped cucumber, green apple, and ginger if using into a blender. Squeeze the juice from half a lemon into the blender. Add a cup of water or unsweetened almond milk to the blender. If you prefer a colder smoothie, add a few ice cubes. The Smoothie Diet stands by the effectiveness of the program. This offers a 60-day money-back guarantee, ensuring that customers are fully satisfied with the results. Are you ready to start your weight loss journey and make positive changes to your health? Don't wait any longer. The path to a healthier, slimmer you starts now. Check the Smoothie Diet website page and take the first step towards achieving your goals. Download now from official website. Check the link in description below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos.